Croaky Frog, wearing his detective hat, a leaf stuck on his head, hops onto a large lily pad in the middle of the pond. "Attention, everyone," he croaks dramatically. The moon has vanished from the pond. The animals, who were quietly enjoying the evening, gather around. Bunny munches on a carrot, Squirrel nibbles an acorn, and Parrot flutters onto a low branch. Wise Owl, perched high in a tree, hoots, "Croaky, the moon is right there in the sky." Croaky squints upward but then shakes his head. "No, no, no. The real moon used to sit right there in the pond, and now it's gone. I, Croaky Frog, the great pond detective, will solve this mystery." The animals exchange amused glances. "Oh boy, here we go," mutters Squirrel. Croaky leans over the edge of the lily pad, staring at the moon's shimmering reflection in the water. Aha! The moon's faint shadow is all that remains. The thief must have fled with the real one. Parrot flutters closer, squawking, "Croaky, that's just the reflection in the water." "Exactly," Croaky exclaims, ignoring the explanation. "The clever thief took the original and left this fake one behind." Bunny scratches his head. "But how could anyone carry the moon? It's gigantic." Croaky hops in excitement. "That's what we need to find out. And when we do, I'll make sure the moon is returned to its rightful place in the pond." The animals laugh, but Croaky is too busy investigating to notice. Croaky gathers a search team: Bunny, Squirrel, and Parrot. "We need to catch the culprit," he declares, holding a magnifying glass made from twigs and a drop of water. The team searches high and low. Bunny hops through bushes, Squirrel scampers up trees, and Parrot flies in circles above. "Croaky, maybe the clouds took the moon," Parrot suggests. Croaky gasps dramatically. "Of course. The thief could be hiding in the sky. To the clouds we go." He leaps as high as he can but lands face first in a puddle. "I might need a taller ladder," he mutters, pulling himself out. The animals collapse into laughter. A sudden drizzle starts, and the animals gather back at the pond. Croaky peers into the water again, horrified. Now the fake moon is disappearing too. Wise Owl swoops down, shaking his head. "Croaky, the rain is breaking up the reflection. The real moon is still in the sky, behind the clouds." Croaky looks up, squinting through the rain. As the clouds part, the glowing moon emerges, shining brightly. "Oops," Croaky mutters sheepishly. "So, the moon was never stolen?" "Nope," Bunny laughs. "But we sure had fun chasing it." Croaky blushes as the animals giggle. Croaky hops back onto his lily pad, bowing dramatically to his friends. "I, Detective Croaky Frog, declare the moon safe and sound." Squirrel grins. "Good job, Croaky. What's your next mystery?" Croaky puffs out his chest. "The case of the missing sun tomorrow morning." The animals groan and laugh. Even Croaky can't help but chuckle. Fine, he says, smiling. "Maybe I'll take a break from mysteries, for now." Moral of the story: it's important to laugh at ourselves and not take life too seriously.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more such stories.